Hi guys, how you doing? I'm in Nottingham at the moment. Well, I've stayed at a place called the Tudor Lodge. I've admitted defeat and decided to book myself a hotel for the night. I've done tramping 2 nights on the go, and I was like thinking, nope, I need a bed. I'm not kidding you, I need a bed. So I've just decided to crash out here. First establishment that I came across, it's a bit interesting. It's called the Newcastle Arms. It's based in Nottingham. I'm just going to crash out here just for now. I've got a full load on the van. It's going to London first thing. I think I only paid 40 quid for the hotel, which was it's not too bad when you're doing tramping. It's sort of like you can take a hit every now and again. Normally I would probably go for a cheaper option, but £40 with breakfast, you can't. It's not too bad. I could have gone for like a hostel, but then you got like breakfast on top and stuff, and I'm like thinking, no, I need to be away early in the morning because I've got to be in London for half 11. So sometimes I don't mind paying 40 quid if there's breakfast included. Happy days. I was going to say, when you're doing the tramping, or when you're on the road, if you go to the welcome breaks, they've got free showers facilities for you guys. It's quite simple. I've already got like hand luggage with me at all times, and all you do is like get yourself a little rucksack, stick what you need in the rucksack so you can get changed, towel, change of clothes. There should be like a shop, WH Smith's or something. What you do, you give your van keys to them. They'll give you a key for the shower room, and then you can get washed and changed. There's shaving facilities in there, so yeah, you can get clean and fresh, and then back out on the road again. That's how I've been doing it recently. Just let you know how that works. The welcome break showers, they're clean. They're refurbed. They're pretty decent. So when you've like been sleeping in the van all night and you just want to freshen up, honestly, they're like gold. Having a shower out fresh for the day, and then 24/7 as well. Just be aware that you're only allowed to spend 2 hours at a welcome break. If you decide that you want to stay longer, you can pay to stay longer. And you can stay there all night, but this is why I prefer to stay on laybys, because they're free. But 2 hours, you're allowed 2 hours, so don't make the mistake of running over 2 hours, because they clock you on the camera. And no, we're not into that kind of stuff. I don't like paying any fines. Have a good one, guys. Catch you later.